Okay, on to the fun part. Since we are installing two canister filters, first step we need to connect the two together. We're going to use this short brass nipple to connect the two. We're going to make sure we wrap the ends of that in Teflon tape to give us a good seal between the brass and the plastic. You'll want to protect your hands while screwing this in because the brass is sharp. It will cut you. Using a pair of pliers or wrench on this short nipple will only damage the thread, leading to a leak or a problem of some sort down the road. Okay, so now we'll screw the two top halves together, and we're just going to hand tighten these and line them up as close as possible just so that installation into the motorhome will be a lot easier. As you can see here, we also installed the push-to-connect adapters on the inlet and outlet sides of the filter canisters. These install the same way as the brass nipple using Teflon tape. Okay, this will give you an idea of what it's going to look like mounted inside the motorhome. And we'll have water come in this side through a sediment filter and then go through a carbon filter, and then out comes clean filtered water. Okay, since we're replacing the single filter with two filters, we need to add some additional support behind this thin plastic panel to support the new water filters. I'm doing that with just this piece of scrap wood.
Evan, do not get on that ladder. Because it's wet, it will fall off the roof.
Every motorhome and every RV is set up differently, so depending on what you have, your installation may be different. Okay, you want to make sure your RV is level, and then check the level on the canister filter so that when you mount them they are level. Okay, so now it's just a matter of measuring and cutting the packs to fit the lengths we need between the filters and the old existing water line. You gotta love these shark bite fittings. Man, they're so easy to use. No special tools required, just a simple cut the pipe, make sure it's cut clean and straight. Simple push in, make sure it grabs, and you're set. Now that it's all installed, we'll turn on the water and check for leaks. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe to keep rolling with the Rollins.